Welcome to another Elliott Wave Charts of the Day video. My name is Eric. Today is the 10th of April around 10:21 p.m. Eastern Time. And today, as we always do, we're going to do a short video about an instrument among the 78 instruments that we cover, and we're going to explain it in the 1 and the 4 hour and a little bit of the daily, and post it on our homepage like we do every day. If you want to see daily, the charts of the day is free. Just visit Elliott Wave Forecast. You scroll down a little bit and you're going to be able to see the charts of the day. Like last week on Friday, it was gold. Now today, we're going to take a look at the dollar. So the dollar, in our opinion, is doing on the daily chart an ABC lower within a proposal wave 5. This is how an ABC looks like an Elliott Wave. An Elliott Wave, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's A. This is B, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So technically, it's two subdivisions or two impulses connected by what we call the connector of the B wave. Ideally, the C wave ends at the equal-X relationship of A with B. When each C equals A related to B, that's where it should be ending. So if we're going to look at the dollar on his daily chart, that's what we're saying. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5. That makes an important A. I believe at this stage that the dollar has ended the first leg of the B wave from the peak at 928, that it should be correcting now before an acceleration lower will follow. Zooming in a little bit, what we see is that from the secondary peak of the B wave, the dollar has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now is correcting. It should be correcting higher in 3 or 7 before the bears again take over, the sellers take over the market. Looking at the 1 hour chart, this is how we see it. This is the dollar here, that it reached the inflation or highlighted area right here, and the dollar should be soon within the next 24 hours retesting the lows. And maybe, most likely, the path that we like is that after the complete the W, the dollar retests the lows and accelerate higher in what we call the Y wave. In other words, instead of being a simple ABC like in the daily, now the dollar is going to do a WXY higher and most likely reach an area around 103, 104, when sellers will enter again for the wave 3 of the C waves to happen in the next few weeks. So that's the dollar for today. Eventually, expectation is that it's gonna end the cycle from April the 5th, and then it will continue higher to correct the 5 weeks lower in a wave 2 before sellers enter the market. If you like the video, please join us at Elliott Wave Forecast. Take our 14-day trials, and you're going to have a tremendous support about the market in every single time frame among 78 instruments. That's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Have a good night, everyone.